Hello, good morning. Welcome to the electrical department. So, all third semester students, we have electrical machine laboratory 1. It consists of transformers and generator lab. We have so many experiments. So, this is our entire electrical machines lab. Consists of DC shunt motors, generators, as well as transformers, synchronizing panel, etc. So before introducing this, let me know the main panel board of the electrical machines laboratory. So here, this is the DC rectifier unit. Suppose if you want 220 volt DC supply, we need to convert AC voltage from the JESCOM supply. Again, we will convert into DC for DC purpose, for DC shunt motor, DC series motor. For that purpose, we require DC 220 volts. So that's why we have DC rectifier unit of 200 to 250 volt and 100 ampere. Okay. So this is DC rectifier unit, and this is the distribution panel of electrical machine laboratory 1. We have individual number 1, 2, 3. So different MCBs are there. So it will go to the individual panel board of the electrical machine lab experiments. And similarly, we have DC distribution panel. Also, we have 5 individual DC panels, and also an auxiliary unit is also provided. And this is distribution panel for electrical machine lab 2. So for induction motors and DC machines laboratory. Okay. Suppose if you want to start from here, so we switch on the mains. So this is R phase, Y phase and B phase. This is 3-phase supply is given to this. So we will get 400 volt supply, and I want to start AC distribution panel. I will switch on this. So there are so many experiments. Suppose I want experiment number 1. I switch on experiment number 1. Okay. So now DC panel is also on. And we have 394 volts. So this is line to line voltage of 394 volts or 383. So nearly 390 average we are getting. Okay, thank you. So next we will discuss one by one panel. So this is a single phase transformer. So in this panel we have 3 transformers of transformer 1, 2 and 3. Transformer 1 having 2 kVA, transformer 2 2 kVA and transformer 3 is 1 kVA. We will do so many experiments on this. So we can do the open circuit test, short circuit test experiment, and also Sumner test experiment and polarity test. So we will do some 3 or 4 experiments in this panel board. And we have multifunction meter also we have. And this is the auto transformer, or also called as, it is called as variac. Okay. So for if you want to increase the voltage level, or if you want to variable voltage, so we will use the this type of variac or auto transformer for the experiment purpose. Okay. Similarly, we have this panel called as a single phase transformers of 2 kVA rating. So this can be used for SCART connection and polarity test of the transformer. So we will use this type of panel, a single phase transformer of 2 kVA. So we will use the 2 different loads. So for uniform loading and non-uniform loading, so we will use the different loads of 10 ampere. Each switch carries a 1 ampere load. So similarly, coming to the single phase transformers of 1 kVA. So this type of experiment is used for the 3-phase transformer connection. We will do star delta, delta delta and open delta connection. So that can be done in this experiment. And this is the 3-phase resistive load bank. Okay, this is the resistive load bank. So we will connect 3-phase AC resistive load to the 10 ampere 3-phase 415 volt of the resistive load bank. So coming to this, sir. So This is the three-phase induction motor. We will do the induction generator experiment. So also we have DC shunt generator. So induction generator experiment we will do on this panel. And coming to this, so this is the three-phase salient pole alternator panel. Okay. To run the alternator, we want a DC shunt motor as a prime mover. So we will generate a three-phase AC supply. So we can connect whatever we have generated in the laboratory. So that can be connected to the infinite bus bar or JESCOM supply through the synchronizing panel. Okay, this is the synchronizing panel. It consists of synchroscope, and there are 6 lamps method. So lamp methods are there for synchro voltmeter and frequency will match here for the synchronization of experiment. Okay, next coming to the here. This is the non-salient pole alternator, and also it consists of a DC shunt motor as a prime mover. So here also we have transformer unit is there. So 1 kVA transformer. So we will separate the hysteresis and eddy current losses. We will do the experiment on the transformer also, and also we can do the slip connection and EMF method, MMF method and ZPF method through the inductive loads and resistive loads. So we will do the experiment on the alternator experiments, and also slip experiments. So we will do on this type of panel. So this is the introduction about the transformers and generator laboratory. So thank you very much.